Well, I have Mr. Indrajit Sukumaran with me. Why are you not playing this time?
Actually, I just recovered from an injury in January, during January, and my doctor has prescribed me to take rest for a few months rather than stressing my shoulder. So I couldn't make it for the season. So probably I'm looking forward to the next season.
Next season.
Yeah.
Perfect. We would love to see you the next season. Also, tell me now, it's a very important match for Kerala today. It's a do or die situation. You are playing in the home ground. Is it pressurizing or motivating?
It's definitely motivating because I didn't expect so much of crowd to come in. It's wonderful to be for the team to be playing in front of such a big crowd, and there's so much of support, and hopefully it helps us win.
You know, the match is going really topsy-turvy. Every ball is kind of changing the pace of the match.
Absolutely. Like it's 30 for 4 now, but then we can't lose any more wickets. We have to bat well and get there for the first 10 overs. We need to score at least 100. So let's hope the score goes up very soon.
So now that you're not playing, you can actually oversee the entire match. Is there... Whoa, that's coming to us! Almost! That's a 6. I think we're just going to go see the 6 right now. That was lovely. Okay, so now that you can actually see the match, you can point out who's doing the mistakes, who's playing better. Is there something that you would want to say to the players of your team?
See, everybody is doing their best. We've been short of a little practice because we haven't been able to practice for months in a stretch. We all ganged up like a few days before the CCL started practicing. And so maybe from the next year, we were talking about it in the beginning, like probably we should conduct camps once in 3 months so that players get to refresh their talents. So our team is going to get bigger and better next year.
How's the new format been?
It's wonderful. It's nice. You get the feel of a 2020 at the same time you get the feel of a test also, where you have 2 innings to match up. So you can do your you can do your best in the first innings, or if not, you can try in the second one.
The players are enjoying playing the match again at CCL after such a long hiatus.
Absolutely. Cricket and cinema have been 2 great forms of entertainment in India. So both of them coming under one umbrella. That's again another shot. Oh yeah, that's a 6 again.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I think you should be standing here.
Standing here, Kerala's doing well.
This is a lucky spot. Actually, it happened once with Mumbai as well.
Here till the match finishes now.
I think that's the spirit of the game. It's all about coming together, playing together. That's what 823 also says.
Absolutely. Coming together, playing together. That's what it is. So many actors from all around India, coming together under the umbrella of cricket. You see, we've all fancied playing the game at some point or the other in the past, childhood, college days. We've all watched the game. It's such a wonderful game. So all of us coming together under the umbrella of cricket is like wonderful. So yeah, and it was sad that we had a break of 3 years, but then we are back with a bang.
I think it's every boy's dream out here because I have spoken to so many boys here and they all wanted to be cricketers some time or the other.
That is there, and we've always, like from childhood, we have been watching our Indian team playing in such wonderful stadiums, and it's been like like a dream to be playing in one of these stadiums, and it's great that we get an opportunity for that, like playing like in an international condition, international stadium, and the umpires and everything. It's great.
Thank you. It was wonderful speaking to you, and all the very best to your team. Thank you, and back to the comms.
41 पर 4 इस ओवर में एक बाउंड्री है और एक छक्का भी है। फ्रेडी दारूवाला ये विकेट टेकिंग गेंदबाज हैं, मौका क्रिएट करवाते हैं, मौका करवाया भी था, सफलता मिल सकती थी। अब विकेट टू विकेट यहाँ पर देखिए फिर से चांस बना है, लेकिन बाउंड्री के बाहर। बैकअप लेंथ ये गेंद था, लंबा इंतज़ार करना पड़ा था केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के फैंस को झूमने के लिए, लेकिन इस ओवर में बल्लेबाज ने कहा कि थोड़ा सा अब आप झूम लीजिए। शॉर्ट ऑफ लेन गेंद था, आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप, थोड़ा सा आउट स्विंगर के अंदाज में पड़कर बाहर की तरफ दिख रहा था और बैक का स्विंग इतना कमाल था और ताकत भरपूर झोंकी थी, गेंद की गति का भी इस्तेमाल था और पार्ले हैप्पी ये छक्का आता हुआ और मोमेंटम थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए बन रहा है। 47 पर 4 इस समय है स्कोर। अंतिम गेंद है, फ्रेडी के ओवर में 17 रन गए हैं, लेकिन मलाल नहीं करना चाहिए। पीछे से शाकिब ने बोला कि चलिए कोई बात नहीं, रिलैक्स से होता है, अभी भी बहुत रन है हमारे पास, डिफेंड हम कर सकते हैं। कुछ ना कुछ हाथ जरूर लगाए हैं। बहुत बढ़िया समर्पण विकेट के पीछे, हाथ नहीं लगता थी, सीधा गेंद 4 रन के लिए जा सकता था। 6 समाप्त, 48 पर 4 केरला स्ट्राइकर्स।